Hey everybody, you know who it is, it's Unbox Everything, and today we will be unboxing something very cool, something that I've been looking forward to unboxing for a while, so let's just jump right to it. So just grabbing my box here already, got it right here. I'm just gonna start unboxing, guys. I'm really excited for this. If you guys know, okay, this is gonna be really bad. If you guys know, to give you a clue, so I just recently got myself a Nintendo Switch. This is really bad unboxing. Literally just ripped it right off, not great. I recently got a Nintendo Switch. That will be a clue as to what this is. Da-da, da-da. Sound effects, sound effects. Oh, lots of plastic. Yeet. Ooh. Invoice. Yeet. And here we have it, guys. Ring Fit Adventure. Yeet. I have been waiting for this for so long. Wow, I can't believe I got it. So I really can't wait to try this thing out. Let's just unbox this. Maybe before I do that, let's just read what some of the features are quickly. Just to turn around, just to show you guys. Save the world while working up a sweat in this exercise adventure. Yeah! Okay, that was a bit weird. Sorry. What do you get in the box? You get a Nintendo Switch software Ring Fit Adventure. You get a leg strap, and then you get the actual, it's called a Ring-Con. They've kind of adapted it for the Nintendo Switch controllers. So you kind of put one of the controllers on the leg strap, and the other one you put it on the actual ring itself, as you guys can see here. Yeah, this is pretty much like an adventure game, but one where you have to actually physically do exercise, as you can see. And I think the story of it is you basically have to defeat this this demon who's like obsessed with like fitness or something. I mean, I don't know, but yeah, let's just unbox. So, ta-da. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. So, okay, so we get the game. Gonna put this off on the side here. And let's see, what do we got? So take this off. So that's just a bit of box. And you just get the actual Ring Fit device itself and the leg strap. And that's all you get. So let's unbox the small thing first. So this is the leg strap. So essentially, you put your Joy-Con controller in here. Basically put this, using Velcro strap, you strap it to your leg and then you just tighten it. And essentially what it does is it tracks your movements when you play the game. And this is the ring itself. Once again, you attach the other Joy-Con controller here. This is very cool. It has like it's made of like rubber or something like this. It's like a suede rubber feel. It feels really nice. It feels really soft, actually, like soft to the touch. This is kind of how you hold it. I think you hold it this way, actually. And yeah, so you put your Joy-Con controller underneath in here. That's it. And essentially, what you do is you have to like squeeze it like that, and that's how you kind of play the game. So, oh yeah, this is great. This is actually really good. So this is going to be fun. Yeah, and I think especially in a time like this, as I said, when you're not really allowed to go outside, I think it's important to keep up with exercise. And, you know, personally, I don't really exercise too much myself. I used to, but I kind of stopped. For people who don't exercise very often, or, you know, don't go to the gym or anything like that, this device, this game is a great way to kind of get off the couch and just get your body moving, basically. I'm actually going to do a little test. I'm going to rejig it so you guys can see the TV, and I'm going to start this bad boy up. Yeah, I really can't wait, actually. I really can't wait to start using this. This has been sold out, by the way, in the UK. Well, actually all over the world for the longest time. It's been so difficult to get one of these. I got lucky. I got, once again, really lucky. Yeah, I just saw it. Trigger fingers, you know, like order it. And then I just, yeah, managed to get it. So I was kind of lucky. I'm just going to set up. We'll see you guys in a bit. As you guys can see, I've already set up. I've got my screen right here. I've got my Joy-Cons, got my strap, got my leg strap strapped in. And here we go. Let's just jump right into the game. Alright. Let's go here. Level 1, let's go. Estimated XP gains. Here we go. Reach the goal.
Alright, let's go.
Ooh, jogging. Alright, finally, here we
There
go.
should be a door just a little further along this path. Try pressing in on me.
Whoa.
You can fire an air blast like this. Remember that.
It's just a nice, gentle little jog. Whoa. Guys, this game is kicking my ass. Already. Oh, so fucking out of shape, man.
If the aim seems off, I may be misaligned. Just face me downward to recalibrate.
Ooh, you can jump. Okay, here we go. Pick up the pace.
I see a door up there. You got it.
Oh my god.
Oh, watch
This is
that.
hard. This is a lot harder than I thought.
Try pointing me downward and pressing in. Okay, nice.
Run.
Score!
Oh. Yeah. Feel the burn. Run up the stairs. Oh no, you gotta be kidding me.
He's a fire.
Oh god.
Great work.
Oh, I need to relax. Oh, this game is kicking my butt. Pick up the pace. Oh god.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Follow me from both sides to vacuum everything up. You got
Nice.
it. All right, let's move.
Ah, just sucking everything up.
Yay!
Nice.
Way to work up a sweat.
Oh
Now
my.
turn your exercise into experience points with a victory pose.
Yeah.
Charge your squat power, but don't overextend yourself. Release toward the sky. Victory!
I think I'm done. Oh yeah. Guys, this game KO'd me. I think I was overly excited in the beginning. I didn't realize how difficult this actually is. When you don't exercise on a regular basis. I'm gonna leave it here. And maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow or whatever, maybe I might load this game up once a day. Just to kind of keep my fitness up again. But honestly, that was really good. I recommend. And I'm done. I don't even know what to say anymore. Good day, everybody. Good night. Stay safe and stay fit. Unbox everything. Out.